It's me, Imad. So today in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to make a series circuit simulation within the simulide platform. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to learn about the series circuit. So series circuit is a circuit which contains multiple components, and they are connected in such a way that the current flowing through each component is same. Means that the circuit has only one path for the flow of current. So all the components are just like in a line. So now in order to make a series circuit, we will take our battery. So this is our battery. Now we need to take three components like incandescent lamp. So we can take three incandescent lamps like this. And like this. So now in order to measure the current through each component, we need ammeters. So we will go and we will take our ammeter. So this is our ammeter. We will connect its negative side with that of the negative terminal of the battery and its positive side with that of the incandescent lamp. One more ammeter, and they have to be connected like this, okay, within both components. So we will connect the negative side of the ammeter with the first incandescent lamp and the positive side of the meter with the second incandescent lamp. Negative side with the first lamp and positive side with that of other lamp. And one more ammeter after this one, the third one, because we want to observe a current on this point also. So again we will go and we will connect it with the negative one and positive with the positive terminal of the battery. So now we will run it out. So now you can see that the current on every point is same. Means that the battery is providing current and it will goes from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. And then it goes to this negative thing or ground sign, and then it will come out from this positive end of the ammeter. Okay, and then it will go to the first incandescent lamp. Then from the first incandescent lamp, it will go to the black lead or ground terminal of the second ampere meter, and then from within the second ampere meter, it will come out from this red rod or red probe, and then it will move to the second incandescent lamp, and then it will again move to the black rod or black probe of the third ammeter, and then it will come out from the positive end or positive terminal of the third ampere meter, and then it will go to the third incandescent lamp, and then it will come to the fourth ampere meter. Okay, and you can see that the current through each component is same. It means that our series circuit simulation is right. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can simulate a series circuit within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.